Hey guys, Valerie here. I wanted to come and do a quick journal update. I've already shared with you guys my planner, updated and flipped through for January. Go ahead and check the card up above and the description box for that link. And I've also already shared with you my family monthly calendar, January flip through and February plan with me. So go ahead and also check that in the description box and in the card area to see those. These are the rest of my 2020 lineup. So the first one I have here is my church notebook. In the front it has the verse John 3:16. I was already using this in 2019 and I just continued it this year because it wasn't used up. In the front of all of these I've always kept like a table of contents. I've been doing this for like a decade now, so this was kind of before the bullet journaling thing ever came into existence. This is what I've been doing in my notebooks. I've always kept the pages numbered and put the dates and the teaching, so that way when I need to find something I can easily find it. So for January, let me find what I've done in January. This is December. This is the first one I did in January. My handwriting is not cute or neat. This is not decorated. This is what I use to quickly take notes while I'm listening to the pastor speak on Sunday. And here's another service. Sometimes I do my own little Bible studies in here and then the service notes. And it's not going to be that much because we only go to Sunday service, once a week, obviously. And some weeks we actually miss, or I forget my notebook or something, or I might take the notes on my phone or iPad if I have that instead. I try to transfer those notes into my book when I don't take it, but usually I just take the notes right here in the book. So I just did a couple of pages for this month in this book. As you saw, I went from page 82 through page 89, so not too much. We shall have church on, I believe, Sunday is the 2nd of February. I don't even know the date. Let me check my planner. I'm so bad. Yep, Sunday is the 2nd. So that will be my first writing in here in a couple of days. The next notebook I use every single day is my little Dollar Tree faith journal. If you want to see this, I have a couple videos on this. I'll link them in the description box. I have the haul where I bought this, then I have how I set it up. This is designated as my faith journal, but I'm using it for my faith journal, my cursive practice, and my personal development notes. The last two sections are temporary. What will remain in here is my faith journal at the end of it. For now, I'm just keeping those other things in here because it's easy to have everything, as much things as possible, in one compact little notebook. And I love this little notebook I got from the Dollar Tree. I added a couple stickers, and these are some more stickers from Family Dollar, super cheap. This is some cardstock that I already had. I cut in half and used as a divider. The tabs I'm using are from Avery, or the white ones are from Avery. The yellow ones I'm not even exactly sure, but they're very affordable. The pen I have is either from Walmart or Dollar Tree. It's a pen and gear. The monthly calendars I got at Dollar Tree. You'll see this in that haul, so go ahead and check that out. I don't really want to go too much into where I got everything, but this is how the monthly calendar came out. I put January 2020. I dated it. I always do a Monday start, so I don't really need to write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whatever. I know I do Monday start. That's what I'm comfortable with because I like to have my weekends together. I write in the Bible verse next to the date in black, and then in the coordinating color I write a little snippet of that daily verse. And I'm using the YouVersion Bible app on my phone and copying the daily Bible verse from that app. So I go ahead and copy the date and the verse in black, and then I take a colored pen. It's actually a what's it called, the Stabilo fine tip pen or whatever, pencil, or I don't know. I'll insert a picture so that you guys can see them. So I write the verse in black, and then I write a little note or a little prayer or another Bible verse that's referencing that same Bible verse, and that's what I do. So I'll just do a quick little flip through. I try to add at least one sticker on every page. I'm not really a sticker fanatic, but I like the little touches of them here and there. I can't do like so much stickers that my pages aren't functional for me. So this one I actually wrote quite a lot. Looks like I wrote a definition and then a Bible verse and probably like a little note or something. Some of these aren't really meant, they're kind of hard to read because the color is like bright, but I think that's okay. I can read it, and to me that's what matters. So this was the end of January, and I had some extra space at the bottom, so I decided to write in a couple of things that I was grateful for, because this last verse is 1 Thessalonians 5:18, "In everything give thanks, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus." So I wrote a little note stating that when I'm not thankful, when I'm complaining and discontent, I am not living in God's will for my life. So I decided to go ahead and write in some things that I was thankful for throughout the month of January. There was much more, but these are like some of the bigger points. And my next section is my cursive section, and this is just where I'm trying to, if not daily, most of the days, trying to practice my penmanship. The last section is my personal development notes section, and I have a little index here. So you see these tabs are numbered. So number 1 on the index or table of contents is letting me know that this tab starts my notes on The Productivity Revolution by Mark Reclau. I'm starting another book tomorrow. It's called, I forget the name, but I will look and let you guys know really quickly. It's called Free to Focus by Michael Hyatt. Okay, so now behind that is just a bunch of blank paper and some backup stickers from Family Dollar. And that is it for my faith journal, my cursive practice, and my personal development notes. I keep my pen right here in the rings. The next one I have is this journal. This is so pretty. Oh no, it has a little scuff. I decided to do like one of those 5-year journal, like 2 lines a day type of thing. So that's what I did. I put in a little kind of header for January here with my highlighters. These are the highlighters that I use in my planner and in this journal. These are the Powerline 25 mild fluorescent color highlighters. I got these from Amazon. They came from Japan. They're pretty. I like them, and they weren't expensive. I'll have the link listed in the description box for you guys to check them out if you want to. And then every day I wrote in a line or two. So next year, right under it, I will put 2021, and then I will do the same thing. So this should actually last me about through 2027. So now I still have to write for today. Today's the 31st, and then tomorrow I will again divide the line, but I'm gonna do February up here. The last journal or notebook type of thing I'm using is this massive folder, and I've been using this for a couple years already. This is my Bible copying folder. This is what I'm currently working on. I keep right in the front. Started Genesis 24 verse 29. So I started on this page. Alright, so I'm going to set this here so we can see. I started right here. This is my last notebook for 2020 that I'm using, and I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through and video on how I'm using all of these things. If you do, please thumbs up and comment below letting me know if you want to see a February version of this video, and if you do, I will definitely do that. Please just give this video a share if you think any one of your friends will enjoy it. And click that subscribe and notification bell if you want to stay updated on my videos and if you want to follow me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!